Of course, we hope to be able to do this in person, and I know the day is coming when we can do that. But until then, I hope you'll enjoy a virtual tour of our new building. Welcome to Malden City Hall.
As you tour the first floor, notice the large, inviting space for our residents, guests, and city officials to gather. You asked for meeting space, and we delivered. Starting with our large capacity conference room. This large, inviting space is not only intended for the use of board and commission meetings, but is also available for members of the public to reserve for public meetings such as youth and sport organizations, civic organizations, and other local groups. More than one meeting going on at a time? No problem. The first floor also features 2 additional conference rooms. When it comes to the latest in technology, these conference rooms really hit the mark. Outfitted with the latest in audiovisual technology, those attending a meeting, both in person as well as remote, will be delivered a rich audiovisual experience. Wrapping up on the first floor is undoubtedly the most visually appealing space in all of the new City Hall. The Herbert L. Jackson Council Chamber is not only aesthetically pleasing, but is also equipped with as much technology as the building has to offer. With high-definition television cameras and a high-tech control room capable of delivering content to local public access television via fiber optics. As we exit the council chamber and head upstairs to the second floor, let's take one last look at the lobby. Customer convenience was key when it came to the design of the second floor. Most of the services one would expect from a city hall are conveniently located in this one single hallway. ADA accessible service windows, counter space for filling out paperwork, a family restroom, and a small sitting area for short meetings and discussions. Offices throughout the building have been thoughtfully designed. These highly functional and efficiently laid out office spaces enable our employees to better serve the public. Employee workspaces in this open concept encourage collaboration while also allowing personal space for independent work, with work area dividers that have also become extremely useful for employee safety during the pandemic. We changed up the layout of the third floor. Notice this long hallway with plenty of natural light. Contractors, construction firms, and business owners will really appreciate having all these services within steps of each other. And because we know you'd rather see your contractor at your home working on the project instead of busy time at City Hall, we offer these self-service kiosks to speed up the job. As we round out the third floor, let's look at two more offices. First is our nurse's office, which offers privacy for those approaching the health department with personal matters. Lastly, since an intelligent use of space was always at the forefront of our design, we made use of the space at the end of the third floor, which was suitable for administrative areas. This became the home of our redevelopment authority. A minute to talk about safety and security. You'll notice throughout the building an extensive use of key card systems as well as security gates. These systems allow us to open and close offices to maximize the versatility of service hours. Probably the best example of this is the fact that we can keep our first floor open with its many conference rooms and public access needs, while also securing the rest of the building. The fourth floor is home to our legal office, the mayor's office, as well as the city council offices. Two great spaces round out our fourth floor. The first is this large capacity conference room located just off of the mayor's office suite. And if you're looking for some fresh air, how about this spectacular meeting space overlooking downtown Malden? Staying outdoors for a minute, let's look at the courtyard. Thousands of square feet of open space, suitable for community gatherings, official ceremonies, and so much more. Fifth floor and last stop on the tour. Human Resources Department, Retirement, Public Facilities, which keeps our buildings running, and our IT department, which is the heart of technology for all of our city buildings.
I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I look forward to the day when we can celebrate this important milestone together. Until then, please stay safe.